Here's part 2 of this winch install for the Kawasaki. So I mounted my solenoid down here, bolted everything in, made adjustments as accordingly. I made sure to put a rubber boot on the red because that's always going to be to the battery, so it should be hot with power. So in case you're messing around in here with something metal, you don't have to worry about contact with that. I zip tie the harness kind of there to kind of help it get it out of the way, but you can see there's 2 bolts right there. That's where it's holding down the solenoid. Still don't have a winch mount yet. It's been another couple days waiting on that to show up. But I did have my Super ATV windshield show up, and so far I like it. It's very easy to put in. I will say you kind of see the clearance there. Kind of got the sun in my back, so there's some clearance there. So I did have my windshield mounted about here, so I had to move this all up. And this seemed to be the only spot, well, there's a couple spots, but this seemed like the best spot to kind of get the clearance to mount the mirrors, the side mirrors on it. They said that there might be some issues with hitting the top, and if you did, you put that thing. But so far, that looks pretty clearish. Good clearance there. Does make a solid contact. The gasket was easy to put in. I will say it is a 2-person job because even though those brackets stay on there, you do have to make adjustments for somebody to hold them. But that's, yeah, I do like that windshield. Now as far as the cab goes, went ahead and made my new crimped connections for my battery. Made them the length, the weight on to connect them. That'll be the last thing I do. I did order my winch in and winch out from Amazon. I think it was like $8. And then you've got all your, just a ton of connections, because this illuminates, I think, when it's pressed up or down. And I made sure to make my connection so when you press it up, it illuminates. When you press down, it illuminates. I cut that out. I know it's a horrible cut job, but it fits snugly, so whatever. So that fits there nicely. That's it for now.